Hey, so we are going to make my favorite shakeology recipe, so sit back, watch, and let's get started. First with blender, all I literally start off with is 4 ounces of almond milk. So there's 4, and then the rest, everybody might think I'm a little crazy for what I do, but I don't like mine thick. So therefore I do the rest of it 12 ounces water, and our water is just in a container. So 5 ice cubes, half a banana. So half a banana, I keep mine half a banana is 1 full fruit serving size. So if you are doing a full banana, that is 2 fruit serving sizes for you. If you are on the 21-day fix, check off 2. So the rest of it is just 1 full scoop. I do the chocolate vegan shakeology because my husband's here, and the one thing I didn't get out is vanilla. So I do just a little bit, like a dash in here. And done. So it's literally delicious, you guys. You can add more ice if you want it more icy, but it's this little man's favorite. So, what are you gonna drink? What is that? Shake! Can you say bye? Say bye, everyone.
Bye, Ella.
Bye.